In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use a web browser here on your PS5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But the first thing you're going to want to do is actually go up in the top right corner and select settings, and then go ahead and select network. From here, select connection status and scroll down to the very bottom, and you're going to see a view PlayStation Network status option. Go ahead and select that, and it's going to redirect you to a web browser right here. Now, you'll notice if you try and search anything, it just will not work. So instead, scroll all the way down to the very bottom, and you're going to see an About Us tab and a Blog tab. Your settings gonna be in one of these two options, so you're gonna have to open up both of them. Mine is in blog, but open up these, and what you're looking for is an option for stay connected, and you're looking for a YouTube link specifically. Once you find that, go ahead and select it to open it up, and it's gonna redirect you to a page that looks something like this. And this is the PlayStation Network YouTube page. Just select sign in up in the top right, and then go ahead and select privacy down in the very bottom. From here, once it loads, you're going to see these little app icons up in the top right. Go ahead and select those and hit Google search, and this is going to be a fully functional search browser. So you can go ahead and select this and then search for whatever it is that you might want. For example, just pause. I'm just searching for me, and you'll see it'll completely work. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.